Hey everybody! I am editing this video in my PJs tonight because I'm so tired. As usual, it's been, a little bit crazy. But welcome to my channel. I'm Janet the HipGyp-Roaming with RA. And I live semi-off-grid. I lived totally off-grid for a year and a half and have one line of power that I ran my air conditioner with last summer because gas got so expensive I couldn't run that generator all the time. But anyway, if you want to know all about that, you just look back on my other videos. But a couple of videos ago, I said I was going to have a blooper. I think I did a short about New Year's, and then my inheritance day. I did a little video on that. But we're back to them home repairs. Um, and I promised you that blooper, and I aim to please. Okay. Prior to this clip I'm about to show you, I had measured. I'm replacing panes in my windows, and I had measured one that was easy to get to. Uh, you know, down at the other end of the mobile home because I thought all of them was the same, but you would think they would be, right? I mean, they all look about the same, but they are not. Wrong. Measure each one if you're going to do this. But I had removed all the broken glass that was left and cleaned out the frame and all that. But yeah, I think every piece that I measured was different. So, I'd already spent $20 getting glass cut the wrong size. Now, I just put them over to the side after I figured out what was going on, and maybe I can use them on down the road somewhere. But anyway, so here it is. Okay. This next clip. This is my wonderful DIY on what not to do. And just a warning, at the end of this one, I use big time profanity because you'll see why. Here it is. All right, I bought a caulk gun. Got caulk in it, cut the tip off. Oh, I forgot my scissors. Gotta run and get my scissors. God damn it. Well, gotta go have 2 more pieces of glass cut. Oh, that was not good. Not good. Nope. Oh, both broke all of them to pieces.
should have done one at a time, and I should have held it up there till it dried. Put a piece of trim or something up. That made my heart hurt. Uh, $20 down the drain.
Can you believe that happened? Oh my God. I was just devastated. I'm telling you. But let me see where it's at. In my defense, I had used a different caulk than what I usually do. And this is supposed to do. Can y'all read that? Yeah, all-purpose acrylic latex caulk plus silicone. And the other caulk I used, when I would seal it in, it would hold it. And I mean, it would dry pretty quick, you know, enough to hold it in. This crap right here, I am not happy with this brand. I'm just telling you right now, I'm not. But it was like it wouldn't get even rubbery or anything for so long. So, here's the next part. Oh my gosh, you guys, I mean, it's done. So, you know, I had to go back and get more glass cut, and they were going to lunch. I had to wait, but I got it done. Ta-da! Let me put it on this side, right here. And it looks so good. This is the first time I've been able to look out all of those windows over there that looks out front in years. Years and years, because let me tell you why. Before we had a rescue here, everyone would come dump their dogs on me. I had like so many dogs. One of these dogs was I named Engelbert, and he was like a greyhound mix. And he loved me so much, he would have like separation anxiety. And anytime I would leave, first he tore the kitchen door off. I mean, bent it out, tore it off. And then I had left him in here, and about a block away, I stopped at a stop sign, and he jumps up on my window. And I'm like, what the hell? So I bring him back here, and he had took a leap and jumped through the window. Yeah. So I pulled the couch away from the window so he wouldn't be close to it. And just a couple weeks later, he took a running start, went on the couch over it, and went through it again. So when the rescue come around, oh, I was just so glad to see them. I was just at my wit's end. I knew he could be rehomed. And he went to a great rescue and Fluffy Dog Rescue in Tennessee, and he got adopted by this woman, and I just love her to death, and she sends me updates on him all the time. And he lives next to the lake, and he has a little girlfriend that lives with him, that, you know, and so it turned out good, but that's why I didn't have any windows in there. Whoa. I was so stressed out. And I had to board it up, like board all them windows up and anything. And I made grates, like out of wire, and would put in the bottom ones. And I just put boards across the top ones. But it all turned out good. Okay, the reason I wanted, I've been working so hard getting these floors. I've painted the floors and cabinets, and I'd already painted the walls and put the window panes in. It's because we were getting stuff from my grandmother's. And I just wanted everything, while it was empty, I wanted to get everything done. All the base things that I needed done. So, okay, when I had this mobile home put in here, the way it's sitting, they had to put the back facing out and the front facing to the back because they couldn't, if they would have put, there's no way they could pull it. They wouldn't have anywhere to go if they pulled it in. You know what I mean? Like it had to go in like this. So the big door is coming in the back door, which would really be the front door. But it has an 8-foot fence around it with no gate because I do not want a gate for somebody to open or the dogs to get out, or so it's just sealed. The only way to get into that fence is through this door, and so I didn't want to take that fence down. So, oh my gosh. So there's just a little bitty door going from the kitchen into this living room. They got stuff in the other door okay, but this little door coming into this living room is very, very narrow. I mean, and there was a bunch of stuff too that we had to bring from down there. And my neighbor asked me how bad I wanted that furniture in here, and I said pretty bad. I mean, it's like a couch and with recliners on both ends, and a love seat with recliner on it, and a huge recliner, and a refrigerator, and entertainment center, a big TV. I mean, it was just a lot of stuff. And that couch and love seat they're really big. So, when I told him I really wanted it in here bad, this is the solution. Now, I'm going to Velcro that piece of wall that they took out. I am going to Velcro that back so I can undo it if we ever need to move stuff again, because I'm going to have a curtain there, so it'll be covered up by a curtain, and on the other side is going to be the refrigerator, so the refrigerator will be covering up that crack. So it's not like you'll be able to see where I've got it Velcroed or anything, which I don't care anyway, but it does, I thought he did a really good job on that. But that is my tale of woe on replacing window panes and getting my furniture in here. And I did one more thing that night. I went to Walmart, and this is right before Christmas. And this is what I look like when I got back. Oh, me. Yeah, it was a madhouse there. I'm not kidding. I was just like, oh my gosh. But it's things I had to go for. So, anyway, remember, change is inevitable. So just go with it. Bye, you guys.